Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. In its way. According to Atasparagoi, the market pundit on Twitter, Terra's pose mechanism trumps those of both Solana and Cardano. This is because staking rewards on Terra do not inflate the supply of Luna, as they are based on network value. Stakers on Terra are rewarded in US from gas fees and swapping fees accrued from transactions. While Luna is deflationary due to this, ADA currently has an inflation rate of around 5.7% per year. The inflation rate of ADA will slowly reduce to 0% when all 45 billion ADA tokens are issued. Similarly, Sol issuance began at an inflation rate of 8% per year, but is set to decrease every year until it settles at 1.5% per year. The market pundit points out that being inflationary, Sol and ADA are unsustainable, unlike Luna. This is because they punish non-stakers by diluting the worth of their holdings. Was Luna's ascendance foretold? The climb Luna has seen is coming after the blockchain has been growing in popularity. Sandyman previously pointed out that the social media mentions of Terra has been on the rise. The social sentiment tracker said it expected to see at least a 20% to 30% increase in the price of Luna. However, Terraform Labs, the developers behind the blockchain, has been dealing with scrutiny from the SEC. Last week, US federal judge ruled that Do Kwon, the CEO of Terraform Labs, should respond to the SEC subpoena filed in November. Luna continues to surge even as the market is watching for the outcome of the case. On the day, Luna is trading at around $93, up 6.77%. Long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. As shown by DappRadar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Bucca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange, DEX, was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery including BTC, ETH, ADA, Luna, Sol, and others rising more than 5%. Equity markets have also recorded splendid gains as Russia opens humanitarian corridors. However, some Asian markets failed to take part in the rally. Moreover, Bitcoin price soared above $42K after a press release leaked on the Treasury Department's website containing President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital assets. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones towards varying compatibility in NFT market. The Pac-Man Frog pack pre-sale is already growing. The value of the DeFi cryptocurrency has surged by 30% in just 1 week. With almost 2 months left in the pre-sale, we can forecast that the coin's growth will be exponential. Similarly, Aquasis Protocol, AX, is taking a unique approach to DeFi and has already experienced substantial growth. Aquasis Protocol, AX, is a decentralized financial initiative platform that offers investors safe and risk-free crypto investments. On this site, users can take advantage of risk-free investments and no-fee services. Aquasis Protocol, AX, will allow customers to fund recurring services such as subscriptions or memberships by simply putting USDC tokens and receiving regular returns on them as a principal-protected payment mechanism. Market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange BitBank, US. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol Rate Prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana Price Prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol Price Prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, Sol is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.